What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. Yesterday, on let me check, 24 October 2024, the Bloemfontein High Court ruled that men can now take their wives' surname. So this has been ruled due to gender equality rules. You know, these things of gender equality, feminism, stuff like that. Because previously, if a man marries a wife, then it's only the wife who is allowed to take the man's surname if they wanted to. But the man will have to apply sort of papers, this, that, etc. The process was just complicated. But now that law has been ruled as unfair because it's discriminatory based on gender. Husbands can now take their wives' last names. So online now, in terms of the comments, if you're looking at the comment section, a lot of people were not happy with this new ruling. They want the men to keep their surname. If you date a South African woman, you marry that South African woman, well, you should keep your surname. So those were the comments that were being thrown out there by people who were not happy at all. They were now saying they are going to be diluting our culture and stuff, and it's going to make the problem even worse as more and more of foreigners will be going out there dating South African women so that they take up their surname and become citizens and stuff. So this is the anger that is out there with regards to this ruling. So what do you think? Should men take up the surname of their wives or not? I'll catch you guys on the next one.